Hey YouTube, I'm making a video on feeding my turtles. Like last video, I made one on what I feed them. Now I'm gonna make one on how I feed them. So as you saw last time, I put all the food in this container. All different sorts of food is inside. So you can look at the turtles first. And I will open it. So all my 4 turtles is here. The one turtle that I didn't do a video on is this one right here in the corner. His name is Yurtle. Okay, so first you grab a little, this much, and pour it in space you want it. Make sure your turtle eats them, like every turtle get a amount of food, similar amount of food. I'm gonna clean the tank later. So grab if you think they need more, grab a little more. Pour it there. They'll start eating. Oh, so he can't find his food now. You have to make sure every turtle gets enough food. So he seems to can't find his food. Oh, so he's eating now. My turtles usually don't eat when people's around. Move that away. This turtle eats the most, so if the others can't get enough, I usually take him to another tank and let him watch the others eat. So you see my black turtle, he doesn't like to eat much, he doesn't bask a lot, and he stays in deep water. He eats usually when people's not around. And that's all in this video. Bye.